I'm going to make omelette. Right here's a chopped ginger, chopped green onion, chopped cilantro, and green pepper. Only 4 things I put it in there. And here's a black pepper and pink salt. I have pink salt, that's why I'm using pink salt. I have white also, so any salt can be used. These are 2 eggs actually. I'm gonna make with 2 eggs. So here is a little bit butter. I just put it in the pan to spread it, and I'm gonna put it right here. 2 eggs. I add a little bit extra ginger actually, so I'm going to add that to mix it. It's very easy to make this. Once it's mixed together, I'm gonna put it in the pan and I will spread it. It's already mixed. I'm going to so here I will spread with this pan. If I need a little bit more butter, I'm going to add it. I cut it pieces, so without wasting time, I'm just going to add it on top. So it's going to take like around 2 minutes to make pancake after cutting all the ingredient. I just add a little bit extra fire. So here's it start cooking right here. Then I'm gonna once it's done right here, I'm gonna flip a little bit and to make. Then I'm gonna make short video, and I will this breakfast. I'm making it. I'm in East Coast USA, so still is a breakfast time. And I take breakfast a little bit later than very early morning. I don't eat early. I just drink 1 cup of coffee when I wake up. So I'm going to make short video once everything is ready. I'm going to eat with paratha, that one, or people can eat without any bread also, it depends.